rides. I don't know how this is a walk-on. It's crazy, but we'll take it. Oh, we're getting Sol back on the plane with us. Kinda knew that was gonna happen, so.
So here we go again, it's no surprise. 'Cause we know better than to roll the dice.
So it is 1:28. We just got off the monorail, and I was thinking about going back into Magic Kingdom, but I think I need to go run back to the room because I forgot my battery pack for my phone. So that is very important. And I think we're gonna get the sunscreen because I thought it was gonna be a rain washout all day, and it looks like the sun's coming out and it's pretty nice. So I'm gonna go get some sunscreen and see what else. I don't know. Maybe a change of clothes, and I could probably put the rain gear away. I don't know if I want to jinx myself with that, but yeah. There's the monorail, sweetie pie. Oh boy, it was a great day though. Great weather. This is like the time to come, honestly. I know like the crowd sizes everyone was complaining last week, but honestly they're not bad today. And the weather is like, this is, beside my frizzy hair, you can ignore that, but I'm not sweating at all. I haven't been uncomfortable at all. Really nice time to come. We've been pretty much through all seasons now here. And I need to get my sunglasses too, that's another thing. Yeah, just having a great day so far. This is kind of our last day, even though tomorrow, well, we're leaving tomorrow, but we leave late, so we'll be at the park tomorrow. It's your turn. Go up. You go up.
Hi, princess.
You go give him a hug.
Come over here. Thank you. Go ahead and come all the way in. Fist bump.
Are you scared?
I love the bows.
Oh, Mickey likes your dress.
Of course. You look like a princess right now.
Alright, I have not been updating. So we went to go see Mickey. We're back at Magic Kingdom, and I saw that Pirates is only a 5-minute, basically a walk-on, so I don't know what's going on there. Pirates is like one of my favorite rides, one of the Lucia's favorite rides, so I don't know what's going on. Alright, like I was saying, my battery just died. This is one of my favorite rides. I don't know how this is a walk-on. It's crazy, but we'll take it. Yeah, we could do it twice. I was kind of thinking, I don't know, Tiki room is kind of like boring, but I feel like she might enjoy it, so we'll see. Maybe we can actually do that maybe after this. Hopefully this is still 5 minutes now that we walked over here. Yeah, it's still showing 5 minutes. We are about to do Haunted Mansion now. The walk-on line is only 20 minutes. It's not bad, but we had a lightning lane booked, so. Are you excited to do Haunted Mansion? Yeah! Are you scared? Yeah. No scary, right? It's not scary. She actually enjoys this. What are we gonna go do? Teacup ride.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the
street and do some shopping, and she was like, horsey ride, and I'm like, okay, it's all about you, kid. Right, Lucia? I'm letting her plan our day. Now we're getting dizzy. You like horsey ride? The last time we went on this was like in June of last year. We went with our friend Leo, and yeah, this was what was happening. I was laughing so hard I was crying because we were in Leo, our friend's daughter was like screaming. I got scared. It's fun. She wanted to go on it, so it's our second attempt here. She's doing pretty good. Alright, so it's 5:14. Little one wanted. She saw It's a Small World. They were going to use the bathroom over there at the Rapunzel, and we walked past here, and she's like, I want to do a Small World, and I'm like, okay. So anyway, it was so cute. Right after we got. Gotta hold mommy down, please. Right after we got off out of the bathroom, the photographer was there, and there was no line. Like, she literally just showed up, and she spent a lot of time with, my ADD daughter over here. It's like, Lucia's like all over the place. She spent a lot of time with her to get some really nice pictures, so I can't wait to see what they look like. And when we were done, I was like, it's 2.
Row 7.
When we were done, 7. You said row 7. Yeah. Oh my god. So when we were done, Lucia gave her a hug. It was so sweet. It was really nice. Say hi. Beautiful. Say thank you. Oh, thank you.
Intergalactic
got stuck
travelers,
on here
welcome
once.
aboard the People Mover,
We
presented by
missed fireworks, so
I'm RI5, your guide
like not a
over this
pretty sight.
highway in the sky. The absolute
anyway,
best
we'll
way to
probably
see
try it again because it's only 6 o'clock, so if we get stuck here, we'll probably get off.
Spacecraft to monster labs. There's really nothing like today in
Lucia
tomorrow.
just had me buy one of the slinky dogs here. I'm like, really?
If you have wings, jetpacks, or gravity polarizers,
My little girl's best friend.
well,
Future. Right by 2 of my favorite spots.
Let's see how long this keeps her occupied. I don't know how we're getting this all back on the plane with us. Kind of knew that was going to happen, so I don't know. Good luck, Lauren. Lucia, did you do everything you wanted to do today at Magic Kingdom? Did you do all your rides that you wanted to do? Elsa Ride is not here, honey, I know. But tomorrow, we're going to go do that first thing at Epcot tomorrow, okay? That's at Epcot. Okay? Okay. Aerial ride you did this morning, remember? Yeah. Alright, let's do some shopping and then I think we'll head back to the resort, the hotel. Alright, we went in the confectionary. I have a snack credit I needed to use up. I was planning to save it for tomorrow, but I figured let me just give it to her. So here she is eating this giant Rice Krispie treat shaped like a Mickey's head. Living her best life here. Yeah, she's got like, I don't know if something bit her. She's got like a couple like spots on her. This is the line for the after hours. It's the after hours event tonight. The funny thing is that honestly the ride times are so low right now that I thought I was going to I thought we were originally gonna pay extra money and go to that, but I'm so glad I didn't because we got everything done that we needed to do today. So anyway. All right. Can you believe? I think we did like literally every ride that she's able to go on. We did not do that test track one or whatever the car one is. I don't know if she'll understand it or get it, whatever. But other than that, it's 7 o'clock, and we did literally everything. And we took breaks. We left for like 3 hours, went to the Grand Floridian. So we did a lot today. So yeah, I think we're going to go back and enjoy our last night at our hotel over at the Contemporary. So if you made it this far, hope you enjoyed today's adventure. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and do that now and hit the thumbs up button and ring the bell so you'll be notified for all future content. It really does help support the channel, and we will see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city, every place.